Attention home hunters, baka ito na ang chance mong makuha ang dream house mo sa mas murang halaga. BDO Foreclosed Property, bidding na sa August 11, 2025. Location, Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. Gated community, prime location sa heart ng Cavite. Property details, lot area 126 square meter. Floor area 61 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, up to 3 car garage. Starting price, 2,706,870. As is where is, may title na. Payment terms, 10% down payment lang. Reservation fee, 50,000. 90% via bank home loan. Note, bank fees and title transfer, not included. Mode of payment, PDC or MC. Cash or bank financing, ikaw ang bahala. Free house tour assistance available, kaya kung interesado ka, message us agad. Huwag mong palampasin to, bihira ang ganitong kalaking lote sa presyong abot kaya. Mark the date, August 11, 2025. Unahan na to.